There are many comparison websites, but there's only one meta search engine, and that is GoBear. It gives you a complete overview of the market. It does it in seconds. It's very easy to use. It gives you sorting and filtering tools to find the results that suit your needs. It's much more fair towards a customer than a model that is driven by commission. If an agent, a broker, somebody gets commission on a sales, they will push certain products which are not always in the best interest of the customer. GoBear is a meta search engine. We compare, but we do not sell. All the others, they sell. They sell what they compare what they sell. So there's a huge difference, because I give you an example for credit cards, for example, in Singapore. We compare the whole market. That means 110 credit cards that are available. Our closest competitor compares only 50. What do they compare? They are where they make money. We are here to help customers. We want to give that complete overview. We want to give them the ease of use of a website. And that's why we bring the whole market with easy-to-use tools. You know, my background is not in insurance or in finance. My background is online. A few years ago, I was researching car insurance in Singapore, and I think I'm not so much different than any other customer. I want to compare a few things before I buy. So I tried to find that car insurance comparison website, which didn't exist. So I went to one of the big insurers online and was presented a list of 30 plus questions. And I was already tired before I started, because I read, wow, do I need to fill in that form before I get a quote? But I still remember question 28. It was, what is the capacity of your car engine? And it said between brackets exactly. So I had a BMW 330, so I thought 3 stands for 3 liters, so I fill in 3000 cc. And I got an error message. Because I spent already half an hour on that form, I called the call center, and they, after 15 minutes, could give me the right answer. You need to fill in 2,976. Not 75, not 77, but 76. I think it's completely irrelevant to generate a quote, but that is what happened. So after 45 minutes, I had one quote from one insurance company. And then I thought, with technology, that can be done faster and easier. But you need to put the customer first. So then I started looking around a little bit, and I found out that across Asia, this whole industry is not very transparent. It is a traditional organized industry where it's basically a push model. You have insurers, for example, making a product, they push it through the distribution chain, and here as customer, this is what you can buy. There is no transparency. You don't know whether you pay the right price, that you have the right product. With all these ingredients in mind, and with my experience in the online business, I thought there is need for a customer product that puts the customer first, that helps and bring light to this industry, so that people can find in an easy way, just in seconds, what they're looking for. You don't need to talk to an agent for hours. And by the way, there are many good agents, but they never can do what technology can do. In just seconds, you have an overview of all products in the market. If you would ask that question to an agent, it takes him days to get you the same results. I think insurance companies and banks alike see the need of more technology, to make things simple. GoBear helps there by bringing transparency. Under pressure of that transparency, products will become easier to understand. A big research of KPMG shows that is actually what people want. They want to have easier to understand language in products. They want to have easier and more personalized products and services. And they want to have easier to navigate websites. That is not too much to ask, I would say. But the strange thing is that if you look what's happening today, search for insurance and financial products, 60% is done on mobile. There is 60% of the insurers do not even have a responsive website. That means if you're on your mobile, go to the website of an insurer, it does not fit on your screen, certain buttons do not work. Now, under pressure of technology and transparency, and GoBear is part of bringing that transparency, products become simpler, and insurers and banks need to adapt more technology to help customers and make things easy to understand.